Ashley Hamilton.
And I'm Dalton.
And we are building a Monroe 3H house with Shaw Homes. My favorite part about this process would be getting to tour all the homes because it gives you an idea of what you like and what you don't like. And I just find touring houses are really fun.
Shaw Homes is set apart because you guys have always been easy to work with.
And we haven't had any issues. And even if we did, they come out and they'll fix it for free and help us out. If I had a friend or someone who I knew that was wanting to build a Shaw home, I would tell them to go for it because it's a pretty fun and interesting process. And although there is a lot to choose from to put into your house, I like how there's so many options.